how to pause Instagram Reels or videos. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to know how to pause Instagram Reels or videos? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram on a device, tap on the Reels or Videos option at the bottom. Now, if you single tap on a reel or video, it will mute instead of pausing. Unlike platforms like Facebook and YouTube Shorts, there are two ways to pause Instagram Reels or videos. The first method is to single tap and hold on the reel or video. As you can see, the reel has been paused. However, all the uploaded information, captions, like and share buttons will disappear when paused. If you release your finger, the reel will start playing again. The second method is slightly swipe your screen to the left, just a bit, not fully, and the reel will pause. With this method, uploaded information, captions along with like and share buttons will still remain visible, unlike the first method. However, the first method is the one Instagram suggests as the ideal way to pause reels. Currently, there is no dedicated pause button for videos on Instagram. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to pause Instagram Reels or videos. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.